Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak with Control. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. We're really happy you're here today.
On this channel, we help you learn English step by step, speak with confidence, and enjoy daily conversations.
Yes, no stress, no fear, just real, simple English.
Today's topic is very special and very important.
We're talking about something many English learners feel. Don't give up on English.
If you feel tired, confused, or frustrated while learning English, this video is for you.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Speak with Control, and turn on the notification bell.
All right, let's begin. Conversation section. Morning. Feeling stuck.
Sarah, can I be honest?
Of course, Alex. What's going on?
This morning, I woke up, made my coffee, and thought, wow, English is hard.
Oh no, not before coffee.
Exactly. I tried to read something in English, but I didn't understand many words. I felt slow.
That feeling is very common, especially in the morning.
Yeah, sometimes I think maybe English is not for me.
I hear that a lot from learners. But Alex, that thought is not true.
I know, but it feels real.
Midday. Remembering the purpose. When I feel like giving up, I stop and ask myself one question.
What question?
Why did I start learning English?
Ah, good question.
For me, English helps me communicate, learn new things, and feel confident.
For me, it's work and travel. I want to talk to people from different countries.
Exactly. When you remember your reason, your motivation comes back.
You're right. After lunch, I watched a short English video, just 5 minutes.
That's perfect. Small steps are powerful. Afternoon. Making mistakes.
But Sarah, can we talk about mistakes?
Of course.
I'm afraid of speaking because I make mistakes. My grammar is not perfect.
Alex, let me tell you something important.
I'm listening.
Mistakes mean you are learning.
Really?
Yes. If you never make mistakes, you're not trying.
That makes sense. Yesterday, I said, I am boring instead of I am bored.
That's a classic one and totally okay.
People still understood me.
Exactly. Communication is more important than perfection. Evening. Comparing yourself.
In the evening, I sometimes compare myself to others.
Oh, that's dangerous.
I see people speaking fluent English and I feel behind.
Remember, everyone has a different journey.
True. Some people started earlier.
And some practice more. You only need to compare yourself to yesterday's you.
Wow, I like that.
Today, you know more English than you knew before.
Night, not giving up. Before bed, I listened to English again. Just calm listening.
That's a great habit.
I realized something. I didn't quit today.
And that's a win.
Even slow progress is progress.
Exactly. Don't give up. Keep going. One day, English will feel natural. Key vocabulary and phrases. Now, let's review some useful words and phrases from today's conversation. 1. Give up.
To stop trying. Don't give up on English.
2. Feel stuck.
When you don't see progress. I feel stuck with grammar.
3. Motivation.
The reason you want to do something. My motivation is to travel.
4. Small steps.
Little actions that help you improve. I study English in small steps.
5. Make mistakes.
To say something or do something wrong while learning. It's okay to make mistakes.
6. Communicate.
To share ideas with others. English helps me communicate.
7. Confidence.
Believing in yourself. Speaking English gives me confidence.
8. Compare.
To look at differences between people. Don't compare yourself to others.
9. Progress.
Improvement over time. I see progress every week.
10. Journey.
The process of learning or growing. Learning English is a journey.
11. Practice.
To do something again and again. Practice English every day.
12. Perfect.
Without mistakes. Your English doesn't need to be perfect.
All right, let's recap today's lesson.
We talked about feeling tired, confused, and frustrated while learning English.
We learned that giving up is normal to think about, but not the right choice.
We talked about remembering your reason, taking small steps, and accepting mistakes.
And most importantly,
Don't compare yourself to others.
your English journey is yours. Slow progress is still progress.
Now it's your turn to practice English.
Answer this question in the comments. Why do you want to learn English?
Write even one simple sentence. We're proud of you for trying.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend.
New videos are coming soon. Daily conversations, motivation, and easy English practice.
Remember, don't give up on English. You can do this.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.